A video about what is probably the largest car cemetery in the world has appeared on the YouTube channel Remote Trooper. The author claims that there are more than 10,000 cars there. They are in different conditions, from hopelessly rotten to still subject to restoration. A review of this collection takes almost half an hour. It is located in the American state of Arizona. Its warm and sometimes even dry climate contributes to the long-term preservation of cars. However, it does not save. In the video, you can see, among other things, completely rotten examples. The cemetery belongs to the company Desert Valley Auto Parts. It was founded as a family business in 1993. The owners buy retro cars, paying special attention to cars manufactured before 1964. They tried to restore some of them, but have now abandoned it. Over time, the stock has become so extensive that the owners themselves are not aware of the full range. The company's website says that not all cars are included in the catalogue. Among them, there are those that belong to long-closed brands.